What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. Which of these animals is not a mammal? Shark. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes in the ear. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989. Who wrote the epic poem, The Odyssey? Homer. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which country invented tea? China. What is the longest-running American animated series? The Simpsons.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.